What wonderful promise is made to all who faithfully return the tithe and give offerings to God's work.
Bring ye all the tithes into the storehouse, that there may be meat in mine house, and prove me now herewith, saith the Lord of hosts, if I will not open you the windows of heaven and pour you out a blessing, that there shall not be room enough to receive it. And I will rebuke the devourer for your sakes, and he shall not destroy the fruits of your ground, neither shall your vine cast her fruit before the time in the field, saith the Lord of hosts.
What a powerful promise. But what is tithe? The tithe is your rightful debt to God and should be paid promptly and cheerfully, just like any other debt. God has no need of your money, seeing all of it is His, but requires His share to remind you that you are in partnership with Him. Just as the tribute money paid to Caesar was a recognition of His authority, so the tithe is the recognition of God's interest in every dollar you receive. The Bible designates two sources of revenue: tithes and free will offerings. The tithe is the Lord's, whether you keep it or pay it to Him, not because He needs it in His business, but because it is dishonest to keep what does not belong to you. The supreme purpose of the tithe is to develop character and test your loyalty to God. The payment of the tithe, when there is no pressure put upon you and when there is no one forcing you to do so, when it is a matter of clear conscience between yourself and God, that will develop in you those wonderful traits of character that will make you worthwhile in His kingdom.